In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gmail of YouTube channel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on a channel's page to see whether the creator has shared a public email address for contact. Start by opening YouTube and searching for the channel you want to reach. Type the channel's name in the search bar, then click the channel from the results to open its main page. You'll know you're on the right page if you see the channel's banner, profile image, and the navigation tabs across the top. Take a moment to confirm you're on the official channel you intended to contact, especially if there are similar names. Next, head to the About section. On the channel's main page, look for the row of tabs, such as Home, Videos, Playlists, and so on. Click About. This area is where creators typically share a brief overview of what the channel is about, links to their other platforms, and, if they've chosen to share it, a public email address for inquiries. Once you're in the About section, expand the content by selecting the option labeled with 3 dots, often shown as More. This ensures you're not missing any text that's been shortened on the page and lets you see the full information the channel owner has provided. Then, click on Description. On many channels, the description is partially collapsed by default, and clicking to view more reveals the entire text. This is where creators often include details like collaboration guidelines, posting schedules, and importantly, a contact email. If the creator has chosen to list it, the email address will appear right there in the description. Sometimes it's written normally, other times it may be spaced out or formatted slightly differently to prevent automated scraping. Read carefully and copy it exactly as shown. Remember, this email is typically intended for business or press inquiries, so keep your message clear, relevant, and respectful. If you don't see an email listed, that simply means the creator hasn't provided one publicly in this section. That's all there is to it. Open the channel's main page, go to About, expand with More, view the description, and check for the email listed there. Keep your outreach professional, include a concise subject line, and provide helpful context in your message so the creator can quickly understand who you are and why you're reaching out. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.